Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts of Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are from Micheldever. So let's begin. Micheldever train station is on the southwestern main line, 58 miles, 4 chains, 93.4 kilometres down the line from London Waterloo. The station is in the village of Micheldever Station, a village that was built around the train station, hence the name. It also serves the village of Micheldever, which is 2 miles away. Micheldever Station used to have quite a few shops, but now it's just a car tyre place. Before electrification, there were 2 separate platforms either side of the tracks. However, in 1967, when the track was electrified, they made an island platform, and the platform on the station building side is now closed. Another strange thing about the station is that it has a disused platform there, going to the main station building there. The goods yard opposite the station is 32 acres in size. It used to serve a Royal Air Force fuel and oil depot built around 1939, but it closed around 1995. Wikipedia says that in 2018 the yard was being used for rolling stock storage. That's why all of the signs look so new, but it looks like the rails haven't been used for years and all the wheels of the rolling stock there have rusted, so I'd say that it's not in use anymore. And in 2019/2020 the station was used by 0.144 million or 144,000 people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts of Boom, and remember to stay alert.